What's up guys, John from TechSpace, and today we are going to do another unboxing video of an RC car. Yes, you guessed it. This is one that I really looked forward to for quite some time. I had it imported from Australia to New Zealand. I waited a couple of weeks for it, but I'm glad that it's finally here. So, what do I have here today? The Rival MT10. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel guys, thanks for being here. Remember to subscribe and like the video if this is the type of content that you enjoy, as well as check my other videos as well. I've got lots of RC cars guys, videos, unboxings. I don't have a lot of outdoor RC car videos at the moment because the weather is very poor in New Zealand. It's raining the whole time, it's wind, it just blows everything away. So I'm doing a lot of the internal stuff now, so I'm doing a lot of unboxings. And we'll wait for a little bit better weather to be able to do the outdoor stuff. So let's talk about the team associated Rival MT10. It's been out for about 2 years. I think it launched in 2020. And this car has got a reputation. It's got an indestructible reputation, and I just couldn't wait to get my hands on it. It is a little bit smaller, 110 scale brushless truck. There is a part that needs to be changed on this vehicle to make it that indestructible status, and that is the RPM A arms, and I've already got those ordered in. It is in the garage, so we will smash those one on in the near future. Let's quickly look at the box guys. So you've got some nice scenery here, you've got the tires kicking up some dust, and this is obviously where this car will shine there, and I think mostly at the skate park. This is quite an interesting car because everyone is talking about how great it is at the skate park, and I love skate park bashes. Alright, so it's champion design. It's got a, remember guys, it's a brushless ready to run version. The only thing you need is a battery charger, a battery, and the batteries that go into the controller, I believe. I'll confirm that, but yes, those are the things that you might need. 1 to 10 scale monster truck. It's off-road. Let's quickly see. It says here it's ready to run, 4-wheel drive, so it's a 4x4 vehicle. It is electric powered. It's brushless guys. It's got a 2.4 gigahertz controller, and it has got a pre-painted body. So if we turn it around, there's some more of the information that I just mentioned to you now. If we go a little bit further, okay guys, so there you can see a nice look of it to the side. I think it looks fantastic. It's got a good look to it. I believe this is going to be one of my favorites, to be honest. I'm really looking forward to that. Another thing about this vehicle, for those of you who are into LED lights, this one does come with rear and front lights. So your rear lights are the red brake lights, and your front ones is the front headlight. Let's look at the back here guys. So there's the front lights. Also you've got a very simplistic design controller. You've got a high torque digital servo with a spring style servo saver, a 3300 kV brushless motor, and then there's a lot of other blah blah blah. So it does have a 12mm hex on the wheels. So there's the tires that you get, threaded coil over shocks, and it's oil filled as well. It's got heavy duty adjustable steel turnbuckles. There is the motor. It's got a wheelie bar for obvious reasons. You guys will see in a future video why that is necessary. And yeah guys, so that is really that. Let's open it up and see what is inside. My trusty old knife. Okay, so we are looking for some stickers, which I see is here. So let's cut it open. One there and one there. Put the knife there. Open up the box. Right. Okay guys, so it's this type of style box. There we go. What do you guys see? Does it look good? Oh yes, there she is. Right guys, so firstly the box where I'm guessing the yep, there's a controller. So open it up. We've got some good air bubble packaging here for the controller. Okay, we'll talk about it now. Okay, let's take this out. Oh, it's light. It's quite light. And then we've got a good old goodie bag. No! Okay, so let's quickly go through a couple of things. So firstly is your controller. It is an XP120 2.4 gigahertz 2-channel radio. It requires 4 AA batteries to get you going. Okay guys, you've got a nice foam covered steering wheel. You've got some tension on the controller. Oh, there's a cute detail in there, guys. You'll see that looks like there's a brake disc with a blue brake pad inside with a chrome wheel. I'm not a huge fan of the chrome wheel, to be honest, but yeah, it's some good detail in there. Alright, and then you've got drive trim, you've got steering trim, you've got throttle trim, you've got a minimum maximum throttle. I'm not too sure what that is. It's got a low battery indicator as well. So let's quickly look at it. Right, controller to the side, and then we've got a goodie bag. Okay, so let's see what is inside here. Right, so you've got a controller instruction manual with a lot of information which I need to go through to understand. Some information about the receiver and some of that specs, how to bind, fail safes, etc, etc. Then we have a SC600 brushless motor ESC information sheet, and it just shows you how everything works and how everything is combined to provide the power to the system, etc, etc. We have some what looks to be slightly rusted. You guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks like these Allen keys is a little bit rusted. Anyway, I'm not going to use that. That gets chucked immediately. And then we've got the nice instruction manual. There's some links to team associated social media pages as well. Okay, let's open it up. Quick start guides in here about the type of hardware, how to put in the diff oil, etc. This is really nice, guys. All the parts, exactly what you might need if something breaks. Everything is in here. So I'm changing out these bad boys there, the A-arms, so with the RPM ones. Okay, but that's fantastic, guys. That is the instruction manual. Now, before we go on, I probably need to have a 3S battery to run this on, because this is a 3S capable monster truck. Alright guys, there is the battery. It's a Giant Power 3S 5000 milliamp hour 65C discharge rate battery with a T-plug, which is needed because the team associated rival MT10 has got a T-plug connector. So that's why I got this one as well. Yeah guys, it's got a nice carbon fiber look. It's a hard case, and yeah, we'll see how this one performs. I've got a couple of different types of batteries now, so yeah, I'll see how they go. Okay, now we're gonna open the box. And there she is, guys. Yes, what a cute little thing. And it is honestly better looking in real life than it is on videos. It's a gorgeous thing. Okay guys, that famous little time of pulling off the plastic. Let's do it now. Yep, it is absolutely gorgeous. So before we do a vehicle look around, let's quickly brand our vehicle to the fleet with a nice TechSpace logo sticker. Right, so where do you guys think we should put it? I'm thinking it's going to be the best looking on the white background as it is on the sticker. So let's get it on there. Okay guys, the sticker is on and it looks amazing. Look at that. Epic. Turn around. Couple of things on the external before we take the body off. So you've got a wheelie bar. I might be wrong, but I do not see any ball bearings in here. I might be wrong. It's not as visible and easily seen as the other one. I love these Method race wheels, guys. I love that black wheels. It really looks awesome. I think it makes the truck look fantastic, especially with these black contrasting parts on here and at the bottom of the sides of the vehicle as well. It looks bloody fantastic. This is a gorgeous thing. Look how awesome this front bumper is with the two lights at the front there as well, and then you've got the two rear lights here mounted into the wheelie bar. What do you guys think? Which one is better looking, the Fox Raptor Slash or the Team Associated Rival MT10? Let me know in the comments below, which one do you think looks better to you. Alright, let's take the body clips off. Old style, at least they are a little bit angled up, so they're easier to take off. Okay, so this is a very nice touch. It's got a dust cover on as well to protect the internals when you are driving off-road or whatever the case may be, not to have rocks and dust and too much shit going in here. So this is quite nice. You've got a receiver box here, you've got sway bars, you've got nice suspension. Oh, that really feels good quality, guys. It's quite stiff, but it really feels nice. Alright, okay, let's open the vehicle up. Let's see, how does this work? Oh, just clips around. Okay guys, so this is nice. You can also use it as a shower net should you wish to, hey? So there is the vehicle T-plug that will go with T-plug or Dean's connector on the battery. So there is that. You've got your ESC 3300 kV brushless motor from Reedy. You've got a center protected drive shaft. You've got some nice Velcro strips here for the battery to keep the battery in. On and off switch, you've got a full size servo. Guys can see the sway bars working. Alright, so that is nice for vehicle handling. It does seem like you've got this small shock protectors. Do you guys see those two there? You've got them on the rear as well. Two shock protectors. It seems like it's a simple enough design. So there's the internals of the vehicle. And there is the underside of the vehicle without the body. Alright guys, so let's put the body back and do a size comparison between this and some of the other vehicles that I have. I must say I'm quite curious to see how it is going to look compared to the granite. So let's put that there. Let's take all the other stuff off. Alright guys, so let's do the size comparison. So this is the Team Associated Rival MT10, and let's see what it looks like compared to the granite. Alright, so yes, it does seem like the granite is slightly larger than the Rival MT10. What is interesting is the Rival MT10, the granite and the Traxxas Max are all rated to be 110 scale vehicles. The track of the vehicle is significantly smaller than that of the granite. And there you can see is a more side-by-side comparison to show the size difference between them. It does seem like the wheels are also smaller, so yeah, interesting. Let's quickly see how it looks compared to the Max. So these three are all rated to be 110 scale vehicles. Traxxas Max version 2, Arma Granite, Mega version 3 converted to brushless, and now the Team Associated Rival MT10. Awesome stuff. One from the front. Okay, fantastic. Glad we could do that little comparison. Okay guys, so yes, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you are in the running to be a possible winner of that HBX 116 scale brushless vehicle, which is this bad boy here. Again guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. as well as subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Remember to check some of my other videos on my channel. It's also linked down in the description below. The vehicle where you can get it is also linked in the description down below. Thank you for the support, guys, and we will see you in the next one. Bash on. Cheers.
Stop that. Stop that. Yeah.